Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to talk about my lead gen secret. If you're ever looking for leads for your business or for a mailing system, this is the cheapest way to go. So, one of the things this system does is it allows you to get 100 to 200 leads directly from the system. And so, if you don't have a list, or you're trying to grow a list, or you're trying to get new people see your business and opportunity, maybe products you're selling, or getting them to join your list, join your Facebook, anything like that, this is a great way to do that. So one of the things I wanted to show you today is just the back office that is available to you. So down below will be my affiliate, and right here it'll be a little bit different. And what you can do is you can make your marketing for free. So what you can do is use the affiliate program and share with others and learn how to make your marketing for free. So one of the things I want to do is just show you the back office here. Here is the affiliate program. All you have to do is just click on it and I'll do a breakdown on how this works. So right there's a video just explaining more, and you'll see the different incomes that come in each time. So here are your different levels that you can get. So as you grow a team or have people join you, this is an opportunity for you to also get those additional incomes. Also, if you're a real rock star and you really want to make some additional income, for every 5 new customers you refer in a 1-week period, you'll earn a $100 cash bonus. There is no limit, and refer 25 new paid customers in 1 week and you'll earn $500. For something that is just $30 a month, that is absolutely amazing. So if you're into sharing and helping other people grow their list and be able to email out their information to a list, this is the best way, and you can make up to $100 or make unlimited money, and that way your marketing is free. So let's jump back to the other page. All right, so here it'll show your leads. So all the leads that come in, right there is my 200, and I can go ahead and click on this and be able to see all the leads in here. I'm not going to do that for privacy issues, but it does come with name, email address, phone number, where they're located, and information like that. So right here, you can also get the master email swipes, truly up to you. I already have purchased some other ones, so I have not done this one, but it is available to you if you need it. Right here is the mailing system, super simple and easy. It cannot be any easier. So it does look like someone joined me because now I'm back at the 200 leads. I did start this back in June of 2019, and I kept hearing negative things about it, like it wasn't working, you're sharing a list, it's never going to work. But I've already had multiple people already ask me about my products, and it's been amazing. So don't overlook this. This is a simple system and it can be absolutely free. We all know that we need tools in order to make our business work. So right here, you can just go ahead and get started. I kept watching it and watching it and watching it, and people are doing very well in the system and doing well at getting new leads to contact. One of the things also with the leads, it does come with phone numbers. I do have another system that allows you to actually reach out and import those phone numbers. And so if that's something else you wanted to do, you wouldn't have to go out and buy an additional list or anything like that. All your leads are right here. You can go ahead and download them in a CSV file, which is just Excel, and you go ahead and import into your into a lead system. So if you need anything like that, just let me know. But there's multiple ways to use my lead secret to be able to contact these individuals and to see your message, see your products, whatever you're trying to do. So right here, this is all my leads. So I go ahead and select them all. Right here, I'm at 4,900 leads. I don't know about you, but I don't have 4,900 leads on my email list. I have maybe 400 or 500. So to be able to send out a message to 4,900 leads is way cheaper than a solo ad. You can grow and expand your list. You can send out every single day. So that's less than $1 a day. So I don't know. This is absolutely amazing to me. Here you can get your stats. So sometimes I don't worry about stats. I mean, these could be fabricated. I don't know. The system could be telling you're getting more. Who knows? All I want to know is how I can contact people, if people are contacting me, and how I can get my products or information to others. So this is a simple system that is doing that for me. I've already had multiple people reach out to me just from this simple process. Right here again is that affiliate information that will just walk you through all of that and how you can see there's stuff in here that you can use to get started. Simple and easy. I don't know about you, but that's one of the things I really enjoy. When I do this system, it takes me 2 minutes. I can send out a message and it's already done for the day. So if you stay within your routine and do it daily, you're going to see results. There's no way you can't. All right, here's some recommended advertising. So if you're looking for additional ways to advertise, like I said, it definitely is just truly up to you. You can do newspapers alive, organic prospects, twice confirmed traffic, truly up to you. I am going to do the texting because I know when you text people, they see the message, they decide yes or no within 3 seconds. Am I going to be part of this information? All right, so today I am going to go ahead and select all my contacts. I was trying to decide if I wanted to do a new one, but say you have a whole list of saved emails in here. All you have to do is just hit load. If you have one that you really enjoy, this is one I've already sent twice, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new one, but you can add all your information right in here. The links are clickable. You can change and alter anything you need to and add my image and my phone number. So I'm here to definitely assist you with the process, and I absolutely love the 3-click marketing. It's simple and easy for anyone and helps your business grow and expand. Once you create your email, go ahead and select perfect timing, and it just says we can now predict the optimal delivery hour of the day for each of your leads. In a nutshell, it's the time slot when your subscriber is most likely to open and click your emails based on the historical activity. So they're already doing the stats for you, so why not trust the system? Actually, we do more than that, just predict. We can also deliver your email exactly during the sweet spot of the time window, landing at the top of their mailbox and boosting your opens and clicks. So that's all this perfect timing is, but I always select that and it seems to be working very well. But I wanted to go ahead and share this with you today, and I will see you on my next video. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.